So we're out testing our new coilovers that we put on a few months ago. We're really testing it out. We also did a tune-up on it. You can definitely tell in the power difference. So we're just cruising in 4th right now, 45. She handles well. She's got good steering. You can really feel it. And I don't actually. Oh, there's where we need to turn. So we're out on some back roads. Just running it in 3rd now. Hopefully this road is fairly curvy. You can get a good feel of it. And it looks like it's going to be. So when you go into the curves, this is probably a pretty decent one. She handles like a dream. Now this suspension is a little bit stiffer than the stock one, but you can really tell how it pulls into the corners and it holds itself. And of course, decent power. Which is a really fun car to drive. This Mustang we found while driving around. I'm not too sure about Mustangs of that generation, but it's definitely a 60s. So eventually our plan with this little Mustang that we have here is we want to put turbos on it or some form of forced induction, and our actual goal is to make it faster than a stock C5 Corvette. And whether it still has the V6 or we upgrade to the V8, we want to make it faster than the Corvette. And surprisingly, we have one. We haven't done any videos yet, but we plan to in the future. But right now our project is this Mustang. Suspension, which we have done. Our next goal is the forced induction. We plan on putting new rims and tires on here, a little stickier tires for better handling, just to add on top of that handling the suspension gave us. The overview of our new suspension, I personally think it's quite amazing compared to what we had. And with the tune-up, it had some hesitation before. Now there's no hesitation. It's just running smooth and clear. And we've been at this for quite a while as far as driving, and really got it broke in and it's set well. You can just really feel it. It's just something you have to feel. So for a cheap set of eBay suspension upgrade, I would give it a 4 out of 5. I mean, there are some places where the installation could have been easier, but as far as what the price was and what it does, I think it's the best bang for your buck. So we apologize for the wind, but we just got back from test driving the Mustang with the new suspension and tune-up. The overall review that we will give this is a 4 out of 5. Absolutely love the car, and for a cheap $500 Mustang is what it was purchased at. And it was going to go to the scrapyard. The thing is clean, and we've done some cheaper mods to it. We were able to lower it 1.5 inches, and so it has a better stance, and it also gives you that better handling in curves as well. So I guess we'll see you next time. Thank you.